Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about how to create sponsored brand, product targeting campaign, category targeting campaign, how you can target other products, brands, and other category create other categories as well in using video ad. So let's start. You need to log into your Amazon account and click on Campaign Manager and choose your campaign type sponsored brand. Click on campaign, create campaign. And first of all, you need to select your campaign goal. We will do drive page visit, and we'll do add a campaign name, add group name as well. We'll do the video, and then product detail page. You need to select. You need to select then the product for which you want to start the ad, and then you can enter the ad name for your product. It can be you can add your product name. And the next stage, you need to add a video. You can add a video. If you have a video, you can choose upload video and upload from your folder. Uh, you can generate a video with AI as well, and you can use that as well. It can take up to 5 minutes to create that video, and you can use that video as well in ads. In the second phase, you need to choose targeting. In this, we will choose product targeting. The product only we choose specific products, categories, and brand. Uh, so in the categories, Amazon automatically is suggesting us 4 categories, and we can, if these are relevant to your product, if in case we can add all that as well in the refining category, and we can further refine as well these categories and by defining mean we can select target specific brands. We can choose specific brand on which those brands we want our ads to appear, and we can even choose specific price range as well. Let's say for example, if your product price is 29.99 and you want to target all the seller who are selling the same product at above this price, you can add the minimum price here so that your minimum price and then your from 29.9 and you can add here, and then your product ad will show up for all the those seller whose price is higher than. You can do the same for reviews rating as well. And then you can add this refining, like we can do okay, all the seller whose price is about 29.9 and then whose rating is under 4 star, I want to target them, and these are very low number, 11 to 19. So these are less, so I would increase my, if I remove this feature, it will show okay number increase. So I can add this. So this is 3 refining option. You can use brands, price, and star review and review rating. You can choose. Okay, in this way, this is for the categories. If you can target individual products as well, if you have any specific ASIN you want to target, you can do that as well. I am here is Amazon also suggesting a list of 90 products rating 90 products. Amazon is suggesting that you can target. If you click on add all will be added. Okay, so you need to select the bid. I had not selected the bid, so I will remove all here, and I can select the bid. Okay, so Amazon is not allowing to bid control are not available when you set a desired outcome for a primary metric. We will optimize to which to meet the desired outcome. Okay, so we cannot choose the bids over here. So in the Amazon do that. If you have a specific number of ASINs competitor you want to target, you can enter the list of those ASIN here. And if you have more than 50 or 100 ASIN, you can download the templates here and fill out the template uh, and then upload here again, and it will automatically all add all the list over there here. So in this way, you can add up to 50, 100 ASIN as well. So ASIN is Pro, one ASIN, but you can add all your ASIN here and just upload over there. That's simply. That's not a big deal. So and then if you have any negative product rating, you can exclude brands, products on which you don't want your app product ads to be appear. Do not increase bids for bid audience. If you wanted to control the cost for ads, you can uncheck, you can check it. If you do not want to do this, open it, you can uncheck it. And after that, simply you need to submit for review. Let's have a quick review again. You need to select your goal, campaign name, budget. You set your budget, 10 to $15 based upon your goal. Video, then select product, upload video, select product targeting, choose whichever way you want to go with. I suggest to, if you want to go target categories, do one campaign for categories targeting, and then do another campaign separately for individual products targeting if you do not target them all in one go. And if you want to refine the category targeting, you can do that as well. You can create separate campaign for refine category targeting, and you can create one campaign in which you can add all categories as well. So that's how you create specific category targeting campaign using the video ads. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you.